The world of handheld gaming is changing fast. And now ASUS is stepping up again, this time with something serious. The ROG Ally 2 isn't just a rumor anymore. This is real, confirmed, filed with the FCC, leaks are out, photos, specs, even strategy, and ASUS isn't holding back. The new generation is coming and it's coming hard. Let's talk about the white model first. This is the version that's caught everyone's attention. And it's not just about the looks. Sure, the design is bold. But what really matters is what ASUS is trying to do with it. The white ROG Ally 2 is built with purpose. This is not some recycled update. This is a full-on rethink of what a budget-friendly, high-performance handheld should be. The shape is the first clue. The ergonomic grips are bigger, more defined. At first glance, they might look bulky. But think about long play sessions. Comfort matters. When you're gaming for hours, small design changes make a big difference. ASUS clearly knows this. These aren't random curves. They're designed for real hands, real use, real comfort. Now, some people have called it a prototype. That may be true. The edges are a bit sharp. The finish looks a little rough, but early versions always go through changes. What we're seeing is a work in progress. The final version? It'll likely be more polished, more balanced, more refined. But the core idea is clear already. ASUS wants this to feel better in your hands. That's step one. Then there's the style. It's got a futuristic vibe. A little bit of PlayStation Portal, a little bit of its own thing, sharper angles. A clean white tone. Not everyone will love it, and that's okay. ASUS isn't building this for everyone. They're building it for people who care about comfort, value, and real gaming performance. Inside the device, things get even more interesting. The white ROG Ally 2 will reportedly use the AMD Phoenix 2 chip. This is a big shift. It's not just powerful. It's efficient. We're talking about a 4-core processor with a 20-watt thermal design power. That means lower heat, lower power draw, but still enough muscle to run modern games. Why does that matter? Battery life, heat, noise, all the things that ruin handheld gaming, solved or improved by smart chip choices. ASUS isn't chasing max specs here. They're balancing power and efficiency. That's a smart move, because most gamers don't need a portable console that can run Cyberpunk at 4K Ultra. Settings. They need something that runs smoothly, quietly, and lasts more than 2 hours. And that brings us to the goal behind this white model. This isn't the flagship. This is the accessible model. It's the one for students, for casual gamers, for parents buying a gift, for people who want solid performance at a price that doesn't feel insane. ASUS is targeting a price point around $400. That's huge. Think about what that means. Steam Deck territory, but lighter, possibly cooler, with better ergonomics and maybe better battery life. That's a direct challenge to Valve, and ASUS knows it. They're coming for the same audience, but they're doing it in a different. Wait out now, here's something strange. There's a new button on the side. Nobody knows exactly what it does. It's not a power button. Not a volume rocker, so what is it? Maybe it's a custom key. Maybe it launches a performance menu, maybe it controls fan speed. Or records gameplay. We don't know yet. But the fact that ASUS added something new like this says a lot. They're thinking about features, about control, about giving gamers more tools without cluttering the design. This is part of what makes the white ROG Ally 2 so exciting. It's not just a cheaper version. It's a new take on what handheld gaming should feel like. It's not copying the Steam Deck, it's not chasing Nintendo, it's finding its own path. Smaller chip, new grip, new button, simpler pricing. Less flash, more thought, and that thought goes beyond just hardware. Think about cloud gaming. The white Ally 2 could be the perfect platform for it. Xbox Cloud Gaming, NVIDIA GeForce Now, Steam Remote Play, all these services are exploding in popularity. They don't need raw power. They need stable controls, good screens, and long battery life. ASUS seems to be building exactly for that use case. Imagine streaming Starfield or Halo or Apex Legends without needing a huge gaming rig. Just connect to Wi-Fi. Launch your game, play. That's the future ASUS is betting on. And the white model is designed to get people there affordably. Now, let's go back to price for a second. $400 isn't just a number. It's a message. It tells gamers, we hear you, we see the market, and we're giving you something that makes sense. Because handheld gaming isn't about chasing specs anymore, it's about access. It's about comfort. It's about the overall experience. And that's exactly where the ROG Ally 2 white model seems to shine. Yes, it might not have the highest end chip. It might not be the thinnest device ever made, but it's well balanced. It's smart, and it's clearly built with care. ASUS isn't trying to win headlines with this one. They're trying to win hearts. And maybe while it's too, this is where ASUS is doing something different. While others focus only on the top-tier gamers, ASUS is saying, what about everyone else? What about the players who want solid build quality, good performance, and real battery life without paying $700 or more? With the Ally 2 white version, ASUS is answering that question. They're proving that handheld gaming doesn't have to mean compromise. You don't need to pick between affordability and experience. You can have both if the device is built right. Even the grip design tells the same story. It says, we know your hands matter. It says, we know fatigue is real. And it says, we're not afraid to look different if it means playing better. That's bold. That's rare. Let's also not forget the timing. Launching in early July is no accident. Summer is when the gaming world pays attention. It's when announcements hit. It's when players are hungry for new tech. And ASUS is showing up right on cue, ready to steal the spotlight. So where does that leave us? We've got a white handheld. Big grips, efficient chip, custom button. Price target under $400, strategy aimed at comfort, balance, and wide appeal. And timing that makes sense. In short, this isn't just another product. This is a signal that ASUS is serious about the handheld space. That they're listening to feedback. That they're not just copying what others are doing. They're building something new. Something thoughtful. Something that might just change the game. Again, as we wrap up this first section, one thing is clear. The ROG Ally 2 white model isn't about being the best on paper. It's about being the best for real people. The best for everyday gamers, the best for long sessions, for light travel, for living room play, for streaming. For fun. It's not flashy, it's focused. It's not a revolution. It's a refinement. But in the world of tech, that's often what makes the biggest impact. Stay tuned because in the next section, we're going to explore the black model, and that's where things get wild.